Don't toss your old calendar. Turn it into free wall art. If you have champagne taste on a beer budget, you're in the right place. Do you want gorgeous seasonal artwork for free? It's super easy. Just take pretty pages from old calendars and frame them. I'm going to take this frame down so I can show you how I take it apart and put a fresh picture in it. It's super simple and a great way to freshen up your space. First, we'll be removing the back of the frame. Take out the cardboard insert, then remove the picture. Spray some glass cleaner, and wipe it down. Flip your glass over and clean the other side. Instead of measuring all over again, I'm just grabbing the page that I already sized for the frame. Then I'm going to use my level as a straight edge to keep my line straight. This utility knife is part of a set that I got from Amazon. If you're curious about the rest of the kit, I've linked it in the description. And this is the part where I realized I should have changed the blade. Learn from my mistake. If your blade is dull, swap it out. Seriously. Since I already had everything out, I just cut out the pages for the next few months too. Here's the 3 pages I cut out. Lining up all the pages again. I'm using the original picture again as my guide to trim them all down to size. Okay, with that all done, we can finally get these pages all into the frame. I'm just checking here that the top of the picture is at the top of the frame. Place the cardboard and backing on. And secure it with your screws or tabs, whatever your frame came with. If your frame had hanging hardware like mine did, make sure it's placed back in the right spot. And just like that, we're all done. Time to hang it back up. So, I'm curious, is this something you already do, or are you planning to try it? Let me know down in the comments. It's such a great way to save something you might have just thrown out. And best of all, it's totally free. And of course, the kitchen pig. Just because. Isn't he cute?